Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So obviously, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. From here, scroll all the way down to System and select Reset Options from the bottom. And then here you want to choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will give you a message that performing this will remove things like your Google accounts, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So, to be completely honest, probably the most important parts to you might be things like music, photos, and user data, because this is primarily the things that you won't be able to get back once removed. Assuming, for instance, you don't use photos as in cloud photos. So anyway, you can either back it up by creating a copy of it to your computer or to an SD card. And once you have done so, you can then proceed by tapping on Erase All Data and then select that once again, and this will begin the process. Now, on the Pixel 6, this is relatively quick. It only takes about a minute or so, at which point, once it's finished, we are then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.